order to set up email forwarding, you can go to webmail.datayard.us and log in with your Datayard username and password for your mailbox. Sign in, and then go to Settings in the upper right-hand corner here. Go to Email Account and select Forwarding. And we're going to want to enable forwarding to my new email address for Bob Dole, and it is going to be bobdole192307@gmail.com. Enter that complete email address. This is where all of your future email will be sent. Once that has been entered, press Save, and your email forward setup is complete.